An ecosystem is a complex network of living organisms, their physical environment, and the interactions that occur between them. It encompasses all biotic, living, and abiotic, non-living, components in a particular area, functioning together as a unit. The concept of an ecosystem is central to ecology, the branch of biology that studies the relationships between organisms and their environment. Components of an ecosystem. 1. Biotic components. Producers. These are typically plants and other photosynthetic organisms like algae that produce energy through photosynthesis. They form the base of the ecosystem's energy pyramid. Consumers. These organisms feed on other living beings. They are classified into primary consumers, herbivores, secondary consumers, carnivores that eat herbivores, and tertiary consumers, carnivores that eat other carnivores. Decomposers. These organisms, such as fungi and bacteria, break down dead organic material, returning nutrients to the soil and completing the nutrient cycle. 2. Abiotic components, physical factors. These include sunlight, temperature, wind, water, and soil. These factors influence the living conditions in an ecosystem and determine the types of organisms that can survive there. Chemical factors. Elements like oxygen, carbon dioxide, and minerals play a crucial role in the functioning of an ecosystem. They are involved in various processes like respiration, photosynthesis, and nutrient cycling. Types of ecosystems. Ecosystems vary greatly in size and complexity, ranging from tiny microecosystems like a pond to vast ones like a rainforest or ocean. They can be classified into several types. 1. Terrestrial ecosystems, forests. These are areas dominated by trees and other vegetation. Forest ecosystems are rich in biodiversity and play a critical role in carbon sequestration. Grasslands. Characterized by vast open spaces with grasses and few trees, grasslands support a variety of herbivores and their predators. Deserts. These are arid regions with sparse vegetation. Organisms in deserts are highly adapted to survive extreme temperatures and limited water availability. Tundra. Found in polar regions and high mountains, tundras are cold ecosystems with permafrost and minimal vegetation. 2. Aquatic ecosystems, freshwater ecosystems. These include rivers, lakes, ponds, and wetlands. Freshwater ecosystems support a diverse range of organisms, including fish, amphibians, and aquatic plants. Marine ecosystems. Covering over 70% of the Earth's surface, marine ecosystems include oceans, coral reefs, and estuaries. They are vital for global climate regulation and support a vast array of marine life. Functions of an ecosystem. Ecosystems perform several vital functions that are essential for the survival of life on Earth. 1. Energy flow. Energy flows through an ecosystem in a unidirectional manner, starting from the sun. Producers convert solar energy into chemical energy through photosynthesis, which is then passed through various trophic levels as organisms consume one another. 2. Nutrient cycling. Nutrients like carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus are cycled through ecosystems in various forms. These cycles are essential for maintaining the balance of ecosystems and ensuring the availability of nutrients for living organisms. 3. Regulation of climate and atmospheric composition. Ecosystems play a significant role in regulating the Earth's climate and atmospheric composition. Forests, for example, act as carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and helping to mitigate climate change. 4. Provision of habitat. Ecosystems provide habitats for a wide range of species, offering them the necessary resources for survival, reproduction, and growth. This biodiversity is crucial for the stability and resilience of ecosystems. 5. Water purification and soil formation. Ecosystems contribute to the purification of water through natural filtration processes in wetlands and riparian zones. They also play a role in soil formation through the decomposition of organic matter and the weathering of rocks. Human impact on ecosystems. Human activities have significantly impacted ecosystems, often leading to degradation and loss of biodiversity. Some of the primary ways humans affect ecosystems include: 1. Deforestation. The clearing of forests for agriculture, urbanization, and logging disrupts ecosystems, leading to loss of habitat, reduced biodiversity, and altered climate patterns. 2. Pollution. Industrial activities, agriculture, and urbanization contribute to air, water, and soil pollution, which can have detrimental effects on ecosystems. For example, chemical pollutants can disrupt nutrient cycles, harm wildlife, and degrade habitats. 3. Climate change. Human-induced climate change, driven by the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation, is altering ecosystems worldwide. Rising temperatures, changing precipitation patterns, and increased frequency of extreme weather events are affecting ecosystem structure and function. 4. Overexploitation. Overfishing, hunting, and harvesting of natural resources can lead to the depletion of species, disrupting food webs and ecosystem balance. 5. Invasive species. The introduction of non-native species to new environments, whether intentionally or accidentally, can disrupt ecosystems by outcompeting native species and altering ecological processes. Conservation and sustainable management. Conserving ecosystems and managing them sustainably is crucial for maintaining the balance of nature and ensuring the continued provision of ecosystem services. Conservation efforts focus on protecting habitats, restoring degraded ecosystems, and promoting biodiversity. Sustainable management practices aim to balance human needs with the preservation of ecosystems, ensuring that natural resources are used responsibly and that ecosystems remain resilient to environmental changes. In conclusion, ecosystems are fundamental to life on Earth, providing essential services that support human well-being and the survival of countless species. Understanding and protecting these complex networks is vital for a sustainable future.